So how to fix the something went wrong problem on Spotify. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. From your notification bar, turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. After that, turn it off. Once you do that, try switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi, or if you were on a Wi-Fi, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. After that, you can go to your browser and then search for speed test and open the first website. From there, test your network speed and make sure that is not the problem. Once you get that out of the way, go to your settings, go to apps, go to manage apps, and then search for Spotify. After that, tap on it and turn on the auto start option. Once you do that, tap on app permissions and then give it permission to files and media, just like that. And once you do that, quit and go again to battery saver and then make sure there is no restriction on the app. Once you do that, clear cache finally, and then from there you should quit the app, go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have Spotify updated. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.